Good morning, my dears. I am Orazbaeva Gүлжан. I work at the IT School Lyceum number 7 from Linger Town. How are you? Are you okay? I'm glad to see you. Let's begin our today's lesson. I think you will be more active and our lesson will be more interesting. We continue 9th module about amazing places. Lesson 95. The theme of the lesson: city life and country life. In this lesson you will revise some words that you know before. You will learn new words according to the theme and introduce with phrasal verb check and do some interesting tasks. The aim of the lesson: use subject-specific vocabulary and use variety of prepositional phrases. Let's revise these words that you know before. Traffic, traffic, қозғалыс, движение. Crowded, crowded, многолюдный, лық толы. Polluted, polluted, ластанған, загрязненный. Unspoiled, unspoiled, бүлінбеген, неиспорченный. And now I want to introduce you with new words according to the theme. Let's together. Rate, rate, деңгей, уровень. Range, range, шегі, диапазон. Separated, separated, бөлінген, отделенный. Isolated, isolated, оқшауланған, изолированный. Convenient, convenient, сәйкес, подходящий. Available, available, қолжетімді, доступный. Combination, combination, үйлесім, сочетание. Variety, variety, әртүрлілік, разнообразие. Pace, pace, қарқын, темп. Type, type, түрі, вид. Entry, entry, кіру, вход. Access, access, мүмкіндік, доступ. Quiet, quiet, тыныш, тихо. Quiet, quiet, әбден, довольно. I will give you 3 minutes in order to copy out these words into your vocabulary. Did you finish? Okay, very good. Let's continue our lesson. When you add a preposition to a verb, you get a phrasal verb, which allows you to express much more than with just the verb itself. In this lesson, I will teach you 10 phrasal verbs with check. Now, let's begin. Check into. Разузнать, сұрап білу. Check with. Спросить, проконсультироваться. Сұрау, кеңес алу. Check over. Проверять, осматривать. Тексеру. Check back. Попробовать еще раз. Тағы да қайталап көру. Check off. Вычеркнуть из списка. Тізімнен шығарып тастау. Check out. Выехать из отеля. Отельден шығып кету. Check on. Проверять, все ли в порядке. Бәрі дұрыс па тексеру. Check up. Проверить. Тексеру. Check in. Зарегистрироваться в отеле. Қонақ үйде тіркелу. Check through. Check through. Просмотреть. Қарап шығу. If you understand the grammar, please open your copybook, write down the date and the theme. Then copy out these phrasal verbs into your copybook. You have 1 minute. Please. Did you finish? Okay, very good. You should learn by heart these phrasal verbs with check. Okay? There are some formative tasks for you. Exercise 9, page number 113. Descriptor for this task. Choose the correct word. The first sentence. In the countryside, people can breathe new or fresh air. The second, the crime rate or range is quite high in most cities. The third, some people feel separated or isolated living in the countryside. The fourth, transportation is much more convenient or available in cities. The fifth, there isn't a lot of noise pollution in the countryside. It's very quiet or quiet. The sixth, big cities offer a great combination of variety of entertainment. The seventh, living in the city usually means having a fast pace or type of life. The eighth, people living in the city have entry or access to high quality education. Please check your answers. The first, fresh air. The second, crime rate. The third, isolated living. The fourth, quiet. The fifth, variety of entertainment. The sixth, pace of life. The seventh, access to high quality education. Exercise 10, page number 113. Descriptor for this task. Fill in with correct phrasal verbs. You have 2 minutes in order to complete this task. If you finish, please check your answers. The first sentence. We checked in and were shown to our rooms. The second. They checked on their children before they left. The third. Make a list of all the items you need to pack for your trip and check them off as you pack them. The fourth. We have to check out of the hotel before 12 noon. The fifth, he checked all the papers before he signed them. Okay, look at the home task. You should complete the task with these words: polluted, crowded, unspoiled, traffic. The first sentence, the streets are with people. The second, it's difficult to see through the air. Third, we often get stuck in a jam. The fourth, the area has plenty of nature.